Robot Vacuum Cleaner 1800 PA Strong Suction Automatic Bot Self-Detect Stairs Pet Hair Allergies Friendly Robotic Home Cleaning for Carpet Hardwood Floor, Black. Product Introduction. Charging time, 1.5 H. Cleaning area, 150 square meters. Rated power, 3W. Working voltage, 3.7 V. 1200 mAh long battery life. Professional design. Very suitable for your home design. Powerful suction 1800 pascals of intense suction picks up dust, crumbs, and dirt. Ideal for hardwood floor carpet. Easy operation with remote control or auto clean all at one touch. Thorough cleaning 2.4 low profile design enables vacuum cleaner glide underneath beds and sofa with ease, cleaning under beds, sofa where dirt hides. Worry-free cleaning, large wheels roll over carpets and climb over door ledges to get to the mess. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless clean, while you do other things or nothing at all. 100% guarantee, trustworthy product. If you have any questions, you can contact us at any time. We are very happy to help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.